Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how the apps and systems powering businesses come to life? Hi, I'm Robert Massey, a software engineer and computer science professor with 17 years of experience. I'm here to break it down. Today, let's dive into what software engineers really do, solving business problems through the full software development process. This journey turns ideas into impactful solutions. Stick around to see how it's done. Software engineering isn't just coding. It's a structured process to address real-world business needs. Imagine a company struggling with inefficient inventory tracking. We step in to create a seamless system. Here's the step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Define the problem and gather requirements. We start by identifying the core issue, working closely with stakeholders, like executives and end users, and business analysts. We conduct interviews and workshops. Questions like, what pain points are you facing? Help us collect detailed requirements. This ensures the solution aligns with business goals, avoiding costly missteps later. Step 2. Build specifications. We craft clear specifications. This document outlines features, user interfaces, and performance expectations. It's like a blueprint for a house, precise and collaborative. Business analysts often refine this, translating business jargon into technical terms we can act on. Step 3. Architectural design. Now, we design the high-level structure. This involves choosing technologies, databases, and scalable frameworks. For instance, if security is key for a financial app, we incorporate encryption protocols. Collaboration with architects and analysts ensures the design is robust, efficient, and future-proof. Step 4. Implementation and coding. With the plan set, we write the code. Using languages like Python or Java, we build modules iteratively. Tools like Git version control keep everything organized. It's creative yet methodical, turning specs into functional software while testing along the way. Step 5. Testing and iteration. Rigorous testing follows: unit tests, integration checks, and user trials. We simulate business scenarios to catch issues early. Feedback from stakeholders leads to refinements, ensuring the product meets expectations. Step 6. Deployment and maintenance. Finally, we deploy the solution to the local server or cloud and monitor it post-launch. Ongoing updates solve emerging problems, keeping the system agile for business evolution. In summary, software engineers transform business challenges into innovative solutions through this comprehensive process. It's rewarding and ever-evolving. Hey, hit the subscribe button and give it a like if you found this content useful, and comment your questions below or a topic you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching. Let's attune IT together.